rubber pencil.
Hello kids! Welcome to Rubber Pencil. In this video, we will learn to draw standing lines. Let's start. Standing lines are drawn from top to bottom. Look at the first line. Oh wow, a monkey! Do you know kids, monkeys love to eat bananas. So, let's trace this dotted line with the help of a pencil. This will help the monkey reach the bananas. Well done, kids! Now try to trace other lines with me. Look at the bee. The bee wants to go to its beehive. Let's help her. Amazing, kids! Now look at the flowers. Let's put the flowers in the pot. Kids, do you know what to do for this? Yes, for this we have to trace a standing line. Lovely! Look how pretty this flower pot looks for the garden. Hey kids, look what a beautiful butterfly. Butterfly is attracted by a flower. Let's help the butterfly. Very good, kids. Keep it up. Look at the fifth one. It's a dog. Do you know, kids, what the house of the dog is called? It is called a kennel. Let's help the dog by tracing a line to the kennel. Wow, look at this beautiful fish. Fish lives in water. Let's trace a line from fish to water. Wow, the fish looks amazing in river. Here is the squirrel. I think squirrel is feeling hungry. Let's help the squirrel reach the peanuts. Very good, kids. This is the last standing line. Look at this pencil. Once you have finished your work, you should keep your pencil back in the pencil box. So let's do this by tracing the last line with me. And keep your pencil back in the pencil box. Well done! I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.